Australia's vast agricultural landscape, spanning regions like the expansive Western Australia wheat belt that covers 15 million hectares and produces around 10 million tons of grain yearly, relies heavily on its extensive railway network to transport grain, which stands as a cornerstone of the nation's economy. The country produces between 30 to 50 million tons of grain annually, with wheat dominating at 25 to 40 million tons depending on seasonal conditions, making efficient transport absolutely crucial to handle this massive agricultural output effectively. Railways play a pivotal role in this process, moving 70 to 80% of the grain, equating to over 20 million tons each year, from vast inland growing regions such as the Wheat Belt, Riverina, and Mallee to coastal export ports worldwide. Over 20 million tons are handled by rail annually, seamlessly connecting key production areas like Western Australia's Wheat Belt, New South Wales' Riverina and Central West, Victoria's Wimmera and Mallee, South Australia's Murraylands, and Queensland's Darling Downs directly to global markets. The journey begins during harvest time, typically spanning from October to February, when freshly harvested grain is trucked directly from farms to roadside silos for initial collection and storage. These essential roadside silos, boasting capacities ranging from 5,000 to 50,000 tons, serve as crucial collection points, aggregating the grain from surrounding farms before it proceeds to rail transport. From these silo facilities, the grain is efficiently loaded into specialized hopper wagons, typically using gravity-fed augers that ensure a smooth and rapid transfer process. In Western Australia, the CBH Group meticulously manages an extensive 1,700-kilometer private rail network dedicated to grain transport across the region. This vital network connects 89 grain receival bins scattered across the wheat belt directly to major port terminals such as Kwinana and Albany for export. CBH operates around 1,200 specialized grain hopper wagons, each engineered to carry between 70 to 100 tons of grain securely. These robust wagons are assembled into massive trains consisting of 40 to 120 units, capable of transporting an impressive 3,000 to 10,000 tons per single train journey. Among these are ultra-long trains that can stretch up to 2.4 kilometers in length, representing some of the longest freight trains in regular operation. These enormous loads are hauled by powerful locomotive consists, including models like the GT46C, ACE with 4,200 kilowatts power, or the NR-class EMDC 44ACI at 3,200 kilowatts, often arranged in configurations for maximum pulling strength. These distributed power configurations, featuring locomotives positioned at the front, middle, and rear of the train, ensure optimal stability and traction even on challenging grades up to 1 in 100. In South Australia, Viterra, now operating as Grain Corp, makes full use of the expansive 3,700-kilometer interstate rail network for grain movement. This network efficiently moves grain from over 90 silos located in the Murray-Mallee region to key ports including Port Adelaide and Wallaroo. Trains in this area typically comprise 50 to 80 PX class or similar hopper wagons, each with a substantial capacity of 60 to 80 tons of grain. Pacific National and Horizon handle these services, deploying locomotives such as the CLF class GECM 40-8E at 2,990 kilowatts, 93 class Siemens Eurosprinter, or C44 ACI models for reliable performance. In New South Wales and Victoria, the Australian Rail Track Corporation's network proves vital for grain haulage through regions like the Riverina. Pacific National's grain trains, departing from silos in areas like the Riverina including Junee and Narrandera, head to destinations such as Port Kembla or Melbourne's Webb Dock. Typical trains on these routes feature 60 to 100 NVR-type hopper wagons, each designed to carry exactly 66 tons of grain efficiently. These substantial consists are pulled by 3 to 5 locomotives, including the classic 81 class at 2,115 kilowatts or the modern 92 class Siemens Vectron delivering 4,000 kilowatts of power. Trains travel at speeds of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour along standard 1,435 millimeter gauge tracks, which are specifically optimized to handle such heavy freight loads over long distances. Upon reaching the ports, The hopper wagons are unloaded at advanced conveyor terminals capable of processing between 2,000 to 4,000 tons of grain per hour with remarkable efficiency. Impressive facilities like the Kwinana Bulk Terminal demonstrate extraordinary capacity, handling an astounding 13 million tons of grain annually for export. Specialized equipment such as bottom dump hoppers enables rapid unloading, often completing the process in under 30 seconds per individual wagon. Advanced air brake systems provide essential safety for these long, heavy trains, complemented by GPS tracking that enhances overall logistics and operational coordination. The system faces challenges during seasonal peaks, such as the 2023 harvest, where an overwhelming 12 million tons were railed in Western Australia alone, testing network limits. Ongoing upgrades, including the wheat belt radial deviation that bypasses slow spurs, significantly enhance efficiency and capacity on key routes. This dominant rail infrastructure underpins Australia's status as the world's fourth largest grain exporter, shipping around 80% of its grain via massive bulk carriers from ports like Fremantle, Geelong, and Newcastle. This has been a greeting from your YouTube channel, European Train Driver. Please subscribe and like the video.